Hi, it's Dr. Nikki at All American Medical Supply. You've recently just received your manual wheelchair. Let me walk you through a few things you need to do. First, on the side of the wheelchair box, you'll see a label that's marked serial number. Make sure you take a picture of the serial number. Text it to us with a clear image so that we can log it for warranty. Next, you'll want to open the box. Make sure you have a clear area around the box before attempting to open it. Ask for help. This is approximately about 47 pounds, so you will need assistance. Second, you'll have the banding straps. You'll need a pair of scissors or a safety cutter. To remove the banding, cut away from you and snip the banding. Or use your safety cutter, hold the banding, and cut. Now it's time to open the box. Be mindful of the large staples. Grab an end and pull up and away from your body. Do you see the staples? Be careful. Reposition your hand and keep pulling. I've opened the box now. Being mindful of the staples, push the flap down. The second flap, simply open and push it down. Now you can see that there's handles for the wheelchair right here. So to easily pull the wheelchair out, I'm going to grab the handles and bring them toward me by rotating around. Now that the handles are right in front of me, I'm going to give the bottom of the box a little bit of a push. Put your foot up against the box and push this direction while holding onto the handles and pulling it towards you. Simply look, push the box, you have the handles. Now that it's at an angle, I'll grab the box here and now slowly pull the wheelchair out. After you remove the plastic, look for the box that contains the footrest. That may be somewhere stuck in between the wheelchair, or it still may be inside the box. Let's take a look. All right, let's remove the packaging. Tilt the wheelchair back, pull off the leg covers, turn the wheelchair, grab the handles, pull up and out. Press down on the side to extended pulley. You can remove the packaging along the arms and make sure to take off any plastic that may be on the wheels. Here are your footrests. These are adjustable. To adjust them, open the black lever and then push the buttons from both sides to extend down. Your wheelchair will come with a tool. This helps you to adjust the wheels if needed. Uh-oh, you threw the box out and you forgot to send us the serial number? Don't worry, the serial number is located right here. Underneath the chair, there's a crossbeam, and on the crossbeam is a silver sticker. Do you see that right there? Those letters and numbers. Take a picture of that and send it to us. All right, let's put on your leg rest. Open the leg rest, plastic down. You'll see a metal tab here, that silver tab. Open it like this. It's on spring loaded. You're gonna line up the rivets, just like so, and drop it down. Then, bring it around and it'll click right into place, okay? Do the same thing with the opposite side. Allowing the patient to get in and out of the wheelchair safely. Lift the tab to get the leg rest out of the way. This way they can have access to get in. You can also lift the side rail by pushing this button in. Press and lift and swing back, and they can have a seat this way. Make sure the wheels are locked before having the patient sit down. Lock, unlock. Okay, make sure to re-watch the manual wheelchair video we've already sent you. Also, read your instruction pamphlet and save this information for warranty. Thanks for choosing All American Medical Supply. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to give us a call.